was originally in E flat, but I'm just tuned to E standard here. So we're going to start with an open G, and then second fret of G with an open A string. And then a high E string. Next we have a low E string. Now we play two open B strings. I usually pluck those with the middle or index finger. Then the first fret on B, open G. With the index finger. So we have now I reach up to the third fret on the E string, a G note there, and you pluck that with my thumb. And while I'm holding this, I play second fret of G, open B string, first fret of B, with the index finger, third fret on B, so it's, and then an open E string. So that part is the trickiest part here, so it's going to go. Second fret of G, open B, first fret, third fret, open E string, and then I hook my thumb around the top of the E string there and play that second open E string like that. So now we have and then two third frets on the B string, so it's like and then 1-0 on the B string, and then second fret on the G open A string. We start again.